All right. Now, Julian, tell me where you're at.
26. I had a question.
I forget. Is it the first worksheet or the second worksheet? Okay. So on question 26, let's take a look at what I did.
Yes, I got it right.
You got it right. Good. Good. Somebody else. Yes. Question number one, or worksheet number 1. Sebastian, you guys, I need your attention. What do you need, Connor? You need some?
Number,
No. Okay. Thank you. 30.
number 34.
34. Here we go. Let's take a look at what I did on 34, and you see if you got the same answer. 1 to any power is always 1. Girls in the back, you okay?
Yeah.
Boys in the back. Julian.
Number 31.
All right, let's take a look. Well, look what I have up on the board. 31.
Yes.
Okay, Julian here.
Oh, I just had a question. With 34.
Good job.
You don't have to put the exponent up.
No, because 1 to any power is just 1. Okay, listen now. I'm a little distracted because I hear some noise going on in the back. I want it quiet. I want to help as many people as I can. All right, so please stay with me, and we can get our work done. And then we have less work tonight. All right. So yes, sir. Good for you, Max. Good. Tell me.
The homework is the first question.
Yes.
That's not my question. Number, I'm trying to.
It's okay. Take your time.
Wait, just go.
That's all right. Anybody else before we move forward? Caroline, you good? Vivian, everything is good? Colin?
Yeah.
You a happy camper today? Sebastian,
35.
what did you get?
Yeah, I know.
Good. I'm glad you guys are checking your work.
You 30 the same. What about 36?
36.
Yeah,
Good.
1 over 8.
Yep. 1 over 8. Anybody else? Julian, good.
I didn't get 30. Wait, what was the one you did before that? 36?
I don't know,
1
but
over 8.
36 is 1 over 8.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
All right. Ladies in the back, everything's good? Ladies up front? Colin, any questions then?
No.
Julian? All right. Let's knock the next worksheet out, please. All right, section 4-3, open that up. We got some more algebra with exponents. Algebra with exponents. All right, we're going to do the first worksheet today, and then your homework will be the second one. All right, here we go. Now, you're multiplying and dividing. Let's first underline monomial. Monomial means a single term. Monomial means a single term. All right, so I'm multiplying 2 single terms. All right, terms are separated by addition and subtraction. So just to make sure you hear me, look up. 2 cubed is 1 term, and 2 to the 5th is 1 term. Everybody happy with that? Now, here's the rule. When you multiply with exponents, you're supposed to add the exponents. All right, so 2 cubed times 2 to the 5th is not 4. It's 2 to the what power?
To the
8th power. Thank you very much. All right, so you're putting a plus sign for the exponents. A plus sign for the exponents. Now listen to what I'm telling you. You don't have that question. I just gave you the first example. You should absorb that. When you're multiplying, what do you do to exponents? Add them. That's what we're doing today. That's the rule. All right? So I'm going to slide over to number 2. Now, who was listening? What do you think it is?
It's 10 with the 9 is the exponent.
Yeah, so you say 10 to the 9th power. Sebastian, you're good, right? All right. Here we go. Let's go to the back. Over here. Jess, what do you think? 1 to the 4th. Uh-oh. Now here's a problem you might have. The second one has what power? No. You got to think for yourself. Try to ignore people. What do you think it is? Well, There's an understood what?
1.
Yes. Okay. Be careful. Just because it's not there doesn't mean it's 0. There's an understood 1 to be here. Okay. So what's the final answer? 1 to the 5th power. Good. Now this is one's kind of a dumb question. If I was writing a worksheet, I wouldn't put this one in there because 1 to any power is what? So the final answer is 1. I don't want you to write that. I'm just saying that's kind of silly. 1 to any power we know is 1. All right. So Miss Bragdon, you're up. 4. So what's the rule, Julia? What do we do to exponents? Yes, ma'am. So now I want you to think you're adding 6 and a negative 3 together. Or you could just say it's 6 minus 3. Yes, that's it. Don't confuse yourself with the positives and negatives. You hear me on that? Does that make sense? All right. Now remember, guys, I think the most effective way to learn here is you're trying to write an answer, right? You're trying to write an answer before I give you the answer. All right? What? Come on, what? Oh, hold on a second. Hold on a second. I thought it was a 6. I'm so sorry. I thought it was a 6, you guys. I'm sorry. For some reason, I was worried about the screen and no power. So tell me again, who was supposed to do this? I think I just totally messed you up. For some reason, I thought it was a 6. It's really 3 plus negative 3, Julie, which is what? Think about it now. Don't let me confuse you. Let me go back. So it's really just 3 minus 3. Yes, it is to the 0. I'm sorry about that, guys. Double check me on that now. Make sure you're good. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. Is everybody with me on that? I wasn't even paying attention. All right.
Yes, sir.
So it's 6 to the 0. Now, anything to the 0 power is what, though? 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1, but that's not what they're asking. All right. Now, number 5. Here we go. Now we're just going right back, right across the room. You're up. Nope, nope, nope. The base stays the same, kiddo. Yes, there you go. Negative 3 to the 5th. The base always stays the same. All right? Number 6. Next. Yes, me. Let's go. What is it? Close. Yes, be careful. Negative 9 to the 4th power. All right. Number 7. Next, Max. A to the 5th. We are awesome. And then Sebastian. Into the what? Into the 11th. Is everybody so far so good still, right? All right. Next, Julian. Good job. P to the 8th. Told you this is very easy. Connor, let's think about number 10. Z to the 13th. Very good. All right, sweet Caroline. Hold up. You got the hard one now, Caroline. Look, what I want you to do now is I want you to look at this. I need everybody to highlight the 6 and highlight a 3. Do those have exponents?
No, sir.
No. It's just like normal, Caroline. So what's 6 times 3? Yes. So your answer here would be 18, but it would be B to the what? Our answer. No. Stop talking and don't hear him. There you go. B to the what? Yes. B to the negative 1. All right. Now hold on one second. Now, it says in the direction, express using positive exponents. So now you got to think about yesterday. 18b to the negative 1 would be the same as what, Caroline? (18 over b to the first if you move it. You moved it, right? So now everybody needs to take a quick look at this. You need to talk to yourself a little bit and talk yourself through this problem. First of all, 6 times 3 is what? Then you add exponents. 3 and negative 4 make what? Negative 1. Is everybody good with that?
Yes, sir.
From yesterday's information, we said if you have a negative exponent, you have to move it. So the top, move it where? To the bottom. Anybody have any questions with that? All right. Very good. All right. 12. Go ahead, Avery. Look at it. Tell me. Come on, boys. Remember, you're supposed to write the answer down before she says it. You're awesome. Negative v to the fourth. Negative v to the fourth. Any questions or concerns with that? All right. Here we go. 13. Madeline. Good. You are amazing, girl. Thank you for listening. Did everybody see that? Now speak up now. Remember, it's no point in going on if you're a little confused. Good. Come on now. 33a to the fourth is not the same as 33a to the negative fourth. Do you agree with me? Right? Remember, when you have a negative exponent, you have to move it. Do you hear me? Okay. So, 14. Julian.
All right, so it's going to be, you're going to have to multiply 10 times.
Just tell me the answer.
So it's going to be 40t and then to the 12th power.
There you go, buddy. Perfect. That's how exactly I want you to take it. Take a deep breath. Tell me the answer. 40t to the 12th. Anybody have an issue with that? All right, Ellis, you're up. 15. But be careful with this one. Yes, ma'am. Yay, good job, girl. Most people forget what? Most people forget the 1 here. Make sure you put that in. 72, do you understand that?
Yeah.
All right, thought you had a question. All right. What? Remember now, what did I tell you? Make some conclusions. You with me? Be careful. You're super smart. I don't want to tell you all the time. All right? Because you don't always what? Oh, yeah, you don't always listen. All right? So when you're not listening, I want you to then, and it's not bad. I promise I'm not, but what I want you to do is if your answer is different than mine, look at where there's a mistake. All right? Try to figure out what happened. All right? And then make a decision about why you think it's wrong or right. Vivian, 16. You're awesome, girl. 20f to the 14th. Everybody happy so far?
Absolutely.
All right. Colin, I'm going to ask you to make a judgment here. We multiplied, we added exponents. Now we're into what? So what do you think I do? Look, guys, simple. No one had to tell him that. All right? If you're multiplying, you add exponents. So probably when you divide, you subtract exponents. All right? So you got to listen carefully on this, though. So, Colin, the answer to number 17 should be what?
5, 8.
Yes, 5 to the 8th power. Brilliant. 5 to the 8th. Anybody have an issue? Jesse? All right. Jesse, you try 18 for me now.
So 18, the answer would be 10 to the 4th power.
I like confidence there. The answer is perfect. Exactly how you should say it. All right? All right, Julie, I messed you up on the first one, so don't let me mess you up on this one now. Take your time, girl, and tell me the right answer. I like it. Good job, girl. 7 to the 3rd. 7 to the 3rd. Very nice. All right, Abby? We are amazing. Very good. Okay, next. 21. What's the answer? Yes. Technically, do I have to put a 1? No, but it's good because it shows you know what you're doing. All right, I'm happy. All right, Mad Max, you're up.
Here.
Shh, Negative. Come on now. Look carefully. It's a good mistake. Good mistake.
Oh,
Negative 2 to the what power?
to the fourth power.
How many 2's on the bottom?
One.
Look. Now what's the answer?
Negative 2.
Why do you think 4? What's the rule with division again? Shh. Ah! Don't help him. You're not sneaky. What? What's the rule? Look at 20. What did I do?
You subtracted.
Wow.
Negative 2 to the second.
Wow, thank you. I didn't think you thought 3 minus 1 was 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Sebastian. What? You're amazing, buddy. Good job. R to the first. Okay, the first one that's going to cause problems is 24. Everybody's got to put a little star by number 24. And let me see if you know. What is the answer?
I got D to the negative 8 and then did 1 over.
No, incorrect. Connor, what do you think 24 is?
24.
Shh. Wrong.
I got Z to the negative 12.
Wow. All right. I'm really happy with that. Really, really happy. I'm not saying that's the final right answer, but listen, we are subtracting. So please, hey, pay attention here. Z. So it's negative 10 minus 2, which is Z to the negative 12. Hey, boys, now come on now. I'm getting to the hard one, so if you're not listening to me, you're not going to get it. I mean it now. All right? Now, that's brilliant. Z to the negative 12. However, we're not allowed to have negative exponents. So what is the best answer, Sebastian? No, wait, I'm sorry. Go ahead, Julian, since this was your problem.
It would be 1 and D to the 12.
Right. So he said 1 over Z to the 12th. That is the best answer because we don't have a negative exponent. Now, listen, I want someone to be paying attention. I'm going to write it over here again. And I just want your ears up here, please. I want everybody to watch what I'm doing. Listen to me. Look up because you're not looking. Look up. That's why I like notability. Anything with a negative exponent has to move. So this goes from the top where? It goes to the bottom, right? And when I put it on the bottom, what's true about the negative 10? It becomes a positive 10. So stay with me. Now everything left, so it's a 1 at the top. Now, does everybody see how we could also write it as 1 over Z to the 12th? That's another option. Is everybody with me on this? All right, that's a star. Go back and review 24. Go back and review 24. All right, Connor, you're up, 25.
So you do 4 minus 8 and it's negative 4.
You are brilliant. Q to the negative 4. So the answer is?
1 over
1. Right, 1 over Q to the 4th. You happy with that, right? Everybody good? All right, I'm feeling pretty good about that now. Be real careful. All right, 26 should be no problem for Miss Caroline. You're awesome, girl. G to the 4th. Thank you for listening. 27. Here we go. You're awesome, girl. Negative Y to the 5th. And 28. You're amazing. Negative Z to the 7th. Right. Now look, now's your time because I'm done. I'm getting ready to turn you loose. Say do the next page. Is everybody happy? Hold on a minute. I'm just saying you're good so far, right?
Yeah.
Now let's take a quick look at the word problem just to be sure. The product of 2 squared and 2 to the 6th is Ellis what? The product of 2 squared and 2 to the 6th is what? When you multiply, what do you do to exponents? Come on, tell me. Yes, ma'am. So what would that be? Tell me. Yes. 2 to the, yay, 2 to the 8.
Oh, that's
You good on that now? 2 to the 8. You agreed? 2 to the 8. All right. Vivian, how do I write y squared? And then times y to the, which is, you're awesome, girl, y to the 5th. So, Colin, what does quotient mean?
Quotient is division.
Yes, quotient is division. So I'm taking a and I'm dividing it by, a to the 20th divided by a to the 10th. So what does that equal?
That equals 8 to the 10.
You're awesome, kiddo. A to the 10th. Very nice work. All right, guys, that's the best we can do in here now on that. You guys happy with that over there? Guys in the back, girls in the back, everybody up front. All right, now listen to what I'm telling you guys. This is what I'm trying to say. If we come in like this every day and do the work, you're not going to have much homework. All right, so now your job is to do the second worksheet. And listen, I don't really care about number 28. You can cross out 28, but you have to do 25, 26, and 27. All right, now you've got time. Get busy. All right, you got time. Get busy.